Thin and light laptops are gaining an excessive amount of popularity these days.
On one side, we have the Samsung GalaxyBook 4 Pro, a sleek and powerful machine that promises to redefine the Ultrabook experience. On the other, the highly anticipated MacBook Air M2 from Apple showcases the company's relentless pursuit of innovation.
But if you have to choose one, which one would you go for?
Let's find out. Design and portability.
When it comes to design, both the GalaxyBook 4 Pro and the MacBook Air M2 are a feast for the eyes. Samsung's offering boasts a premium aluminum build that exudes an air of sophistication, while Apple's latest Air model embraces a refreshingly modern aesthetic, shedding the iconic wedge shape for a more uniform profile.
For portability, the GalaxyBook 4 Pro takes the lead with its featherweight construction, tipping the scales at a mere 2.7 pounds. The MacBook Air M2, while slightly heavier at 2.7 pounds, still maintains an impressive level of portability, making it an ideal companion for on-the-go computing. Display.
When it comes to displays, both laptops offer a visual treat. The GalaxyBook 4 Pro's 16:10 2880 by 18 AMOLED touchscreen is a true standout, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks that will leave you mesmerized.
On the other hand, the MacBook Air M2 features a slightly larger 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display with a higher resolution of 2560 by 1664, ensuring crisp and clear visuals for all your work and entertainment needs.
While the MacBook Air M2's display is undoubtedly impressive, the GalaxyBook 4 Pro's AMOLED panel takes the cake for those who prioritize rich, color-accurate visuals and the added convenience of touch functionality.
Performance. Under the hood, both laptops pack a serious punch. The GalaxyBook 4 Pro is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, while the MacBook Air M2 houses Apple's proprietary M2 chip, the company's foray into custom silicon. In terms of raw performance, the M2 chip gives the MacBook Air M2 a slight edge, particularly when it comes to demanding tasks like video editing and coding. However, the GalaxyBook 4 Pro is no slouch, delivering impressive multi-core performance and handling day-to-day tasks with ease. It's worth noting that the fanless design of the MacBook Air M2 can lead to thermal throttling under sustained workloads, while the GalaxyBook 4 Pro's active cooling system allows it to maintain peak performance for extended periods. Connectivity. One area where the GalaxyBook 4 Pro shines is its generous array of ports. With an HDMI 2.1 port, two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB 3.2 port, a micro SD card slot, and a headphone/microphone jack, this Ultrabook ensures you're never left wanting for connectivity options. The MacBook Air M2, on the other hand, takes a more minimalist approach, offering two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports and a MagSafe charging port. While this may suffice for most users, those requiring additional ports may find themselves relying on dongles or hubs. Battery life. Both laptops deliver impressive battery life, but the MacBook Air M2 takes the crown here. With Apple's impressive power optimization, the M2 chip allows the Air to deliver up to 18 hours of battery life on a single charge, making it an ideal companion for those with demanding on-the-go lifestyles. The GalaxyBook 4 Pro, while no slouch in the battery department, falls slightly behind, offering around 9 hours of usage on a single charge. Still, this should be more than enough to get you through a typical workday without needing to seek out a power outlet. Price and value. When it comes to pricing, the battle between these two Ultrabooks is a tale of contrasting philosophies.
The GalaxyBook 4 Pro starts at a more approachable $1,999.99 for the top-tier configuration, making it an enticing option for those seeking premium features without breaking the bank.
On the other hand, the MacBook Air M2 commands a higher premium, starting at $1,199 for the base model and climbing up to $1,499 or more for configurations with better storage and RAM options.
While the M2 chip's performance justifies the higher price tag to some extent, it's worth considering whether the extra cost aligns with your specific needs and budget.
The verdict. Ultimately, the choice between the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro and the MacBook Air M2 boils down to your priorities and preferences.
If you value a stunning AMOLED display, a wealth of ports, and a more affordable price point, the Galaxy Book 4 Pro is a compelling option that delivers a premium ultrabook experience without breaking the bank. However, if raw performance, exceptional battery life, and Apple's renowned ecosystem integration are at the top of your list, the MacBook Air M2 emerges as the clear winner, albeit at a higher cost. Whichever path you choose, one thing is certain: the ultrabook market has never been more exciting, with these two impressive laptops pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a thin and light laptop.
Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.